Here the question is, we have to find ordinary and singular points of the differential equation 1 minus x square d2y dx2 minus 2x dy dx plus 2y equal to 0. So, given differential equation can be written as in the standard form d2y dx2 plus px p of x dy dx plus q of x y equal to 0, where p is minus 2x by 1 minus x square and q of x is 2 by 1 minus x square. So, p of x and q of x are both analytic except x equal to plus minus 1. As because if x equal to plus minus 1, then p of x and qx both are undefined, so they are analytic except x equal to plus minus 1. Therefore, x equal to plus minus 1 are the singular points of the given differential equation, and except x equal to plus minus 1, any point is an ordinary point of the given D. For example, x equal to 0 is an ordinary point, x equal to 5 is an ordinary point. Any point is an ordinary point of the given D except x equal to plus minus 1.